Hey folks, how are you doing all? I'm sure you must be doing great. I'm back with a very interesting question in the series of Best of SAT. So please attempt this question, take your time, and join me for the discussion. I hope you have done that. So here we have a word problem with an equation given in the question. As I always say, we need to think why the test maker is asking us such questions. Always think like that. Whenever you have a word problem which has an equation, focus on the equation. So if I start focusing on this, it's nothing but a linear equation. Whenever there's a linear equation, trust me, SAT test makers want to see how much you are inclined, how much do you love the characteristic of the equation. And for linear equation, they are nothing but slope, y-intercept, and x-intercept. They would try to ask you those three things, but with a story. Let's read the story. The normal systolic blood pressure P is a variable in millimeters of mercury for an adult male X years old. So X is the another variable, can be modeled by the equation. So if I look at this equation, I already have my X. That's great. I have a P, right? So can I say P here is nothing but the other variable of the coordinate plane? What is that? Yes, it's nothing but Y. So we have an equation where we have X and Y. Let's read the final part. According to the model, for every increase of 1 year in age, by how many millimeters of mercury will the normal systolic blood pressure for an adult male increase? Long story. Let me make it short. Can I say the question is asking for every increase of 1 year in age? Hold on. Age is nothing but variable X. So for every increase of 1 unit in X, question is asking by how many units of P will increase, or I can say how many units of Y will increase. If I write it in a more shorter form, the question is just this: for every increase of 1 unit in X, what is the change in Y? And that is nothing but someone is saying loud, slope, slope, slope. That's it. Slope is what that they are testing. And we can quickly find the slope by rewriting the equation into y equals to mx plus c form, and 1 by 2 is the coefficient of x, and that will be the slope. The answer to the question is nothing but 1 by 2. This is the homework question. Attempt this, and let's meet very soon in the next video. Thank you, everyone.